So it's a Chevy, a C20 for Jake, and we're going to recommission it, lower it, do a little bit of work with the wheels, just get it looking really good, cruising around Newquay really. That's the plan, so we're going to get started.
Fucking hell, it's like trying to aim when you're drunk.
So the kit came with the wrong cups to go on top of the springs. Ash has patterned up with plasma cut and welded together ones that will do the job properly. The axle's all in, you just got to make sure the pinion angle's right next, and then they can get zipped onto the axle.